DeepSeek V4 has not officially launched yet, but a test interface has already appeared and it is showing 3 brand new modes that nobody has seen in any previous DeepSeek version. This model has been in development for months, and based on everything that has leaked and been reported, it could be the most capable free AI model ever released to the public. In this video, I am going to break down exactly what DeepSeek V4 is, what the leaked interface is showing us, how it compares to ChatGPT and Claude on every major feature, and how to use DeepSeek right now today while you wait for V4 to officially drop so that you are completely ready the moment it goes live. Here is what the reporting and leaks are suggesting about V4 before we get into the details. A light version is already running on the DeepSeek API, and developers testing it are reporting it is around 30% faster than the current V3 model. The full model is reported to have a 1 million token context window, which would let you paste your entire content archive into one conversation. New vision and expert modes have appeared in the test interface, and the pricing is expected to be dramatically lower than comparable models from OpenAI and Anthropic. We will go through all of this properly on screen right now. Subscribe to Padded Vibes right now so you never miss a video like this. Drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from. Now let us start with the full picture of what DeepSeek V4 actually is. Step 1. What DeepSeek V4 actually is and why this is a bigger deal than most people realize. To understand why V4 matters, you need a quick recap of what DeepSeek has already done. In January 2025, DeepSeek released a model called R1 that matched GPT-4 performance on key benchmarks. The AI industry was shocked not just by the capability but by the cost. DeepSeek built a frontier model at a fraction of the budget that OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic were spending. It proved that you did not need to spend billions of dollars to build a world-class AI model. DeepSeek V4 is their next step, and based on what has been reported, it is a significantly larger leap than the jump from V2 to V3. Here is what the technical reporting describes. V4 is reportedly a mixture of experts architecture with 1 trillion total parameters but only 37 billion active parameters per response. In plain language, that means the model has the knowledge base of a massive 1 trillion parameter model but only activates a small fraction of that for any given question. The result is that it thinks with the depth of a huge model but responds with the speed of a much smaller one. According to a Reuters report from April 4, 2026, DeepSeek V4 was trained on Huawei Ascend chips rather than NVIDIA hardware. This is significant because it makes V4 the first frontier AI model built entirely on Chinese semiconductor infrastructure, which has major implications for how DeepSeek can scale production independently of US chip export restrictions. Here is the expected pricing based on what has been reported. DeepSeek V4 is expected to cost approximately 30 cents per million tokens through the API. Compare that to Claude Opus, which currently costs $15 per million tokens. That is 50 times cheaper for comparable intelligence. And the model weights are expected to be released openly, which means running it locally through Alima will be free with no usage costs at all. Fast mode in V4 is expected to be around 30% quicker than this based on the V4 Lite testing reports from developers. Expert mode is the second mode visible in the leaked interface. This is the one that content creators and researchers will use most for serious work. Expert mode activates a deep reasoning chain before the final answer is delivered. The model works through the problem step by step, considers different angles, identifies the strongest approach, and then produces its final response. This is similar to the thinking mode we covered in the Gemma 4 videos earlier this week. For writing full blog posts, planning content strategies, analyzing a niche market, or working through a complex affiliate content plan, expert mode is where V4 will genuinely separate itself from what the current V3 version can do. Vision mode is the third new mode and the one that represents the biggest capability leap for DeepSeek. The current DeepSeek V3 is a text-only model. You cannot upload images or screenshots. Vision mode in V4 would make it a native multimodal model capable of understanding images and documents alongside text. Based on the reporting around V4, this would be the first time DeepSeek has offered image understanding as a built-in feature. For content creators, this opens up a completely different range of use cases. You could upload a screenshot of a competitor's website and ask how you could build something better. You could photograph a product and ask for a complete affiliate review based on what it shows. You could upload your blog article draft and ask where the gaps are and where affiliate links would fit naturally. All of that with Vision Mode active. On screen now, here is the current DeepSeek V3 interface. Text input only. Clean but limited. Step 3. How DeepSeek V4 compares to ChatGPT and Claude on every major feature. Starting with cost. ChatGPT Plus is $20 per month. ChatGPT Pro is $200 per month. Claude Pro is $20 per month. Claude Max goes significantly higher. DeepSeek V4 through the API is expected at 30 cents per million tokens, and the open weights version can be run locally for free through Alima with zero ongoing cost. Context window. ChatGPT currently supports up to 128,000 tokens on most plans. Claude Opus supports 200,000 tokens. DeepSeek V4 is reported to support 1 million tokens. On screen now, let me explain what 1 million tokens means in practical terms. 1 million tokens is approximately 750,000 words. That is your entire blog archive, your entire YouTube script library, your complete affiliate marketing strategy document, your full competitor research notes. All of that pasted into one single conversation with DeepSeek V4 processing the whole thing at once and giving you recommendations based on everything simultaneously. Open source. ChatGPT is closed source. You cannot download it. Claude is closed source. You cannot download it. DeepSeek V4 is expected to release its weights openly, meaning you can download the full model and run it locally on your own hardware through Alima with no ongoing cost and complete data privacy. Vision and image understanding. ChatGPT requires a paid plan for image analysis. Claude also requires a subscription for vision features. DeepSeek V4 Vision Mode based on the leaked interface appears to include this as a built-in feature at no additional cost. Privacy. Every prompt you send to ChatGPT goes to OpenAI servers. Every prompt you send to Claude goes to Anthropic servers. DeepSeek V4 run locally through Alima stays entirely on your own device. Nothing leaves your computer. Step 4. How to use DeepSeek right now while you wait for V4. On screen now, V4 is not live yet at the time of this video. But V3 is free and fully functional today, and for content creators there is no reason to wait. Open your browser and go to chat.deepseek.com. Click the sign up button. Enter your email address and create a password. Verification takes about 30 seconds and no credit card is required. Once you are in, the main chat interface opens and you are ready to start. Let me show you 3 specific use cases that work well with the current free version right now. Use case 1 is blog post writing. On screen now, I am typing this prompt into DeepSeek. Write a 900-word SEO blog post about a topic in my niche. Include an introduction with a strong opening hook, clear subheadings every 300 words, one natural affiliate product recommendation woven into the relevant section, and a closing paragraph with a call to action encouraging readers to comment. Watch this generating on screen. On screen now, here is the finished article. Scroll through it. Strong opening. Clean subheading structure that works for search engines. The affiliate recommendation appears naturally within the content rather than feeling forced. The closing call to action is clear without being aggressive. This is a publishable blog post generated in under a minute for free. When V4 releases with expert mode and a 1 million token context window, the quality and depth of output from this same prompt will be significantly stronger. Step 5. How to be the first to use V4 the moment it officially drops. On screen now, DeepSeek releases with almost no advance warning. When V3 launched, it appeared on a Friday afternoon without any official countdown or pre-release announcement period. Within 48 hours, it was the most downloaded AI model in the world. V4 is expected to follow the same pattern. Here is how to make sure you are not scrambling when it drops. First, create your free DeepSeek account today at chat.deepseek.com if you do not have one already. When V4 goes live, it will appear directly in this interface and existing account holders will have immediate access. Second, bookmark chat.deepseek.com and check it daily. V4 will appear here first before it gets covered widely in the tech press. If you check it daily, you will see it the same day it launches. Third, follow DeepSeek on X. Their official account is where they make launch announcements, and based on previous releases, those announcements come with very little lead time. Based on the developer reports from testing the V4 Lite version and the timeline of previous DeepSeek releases, the best estimate for the full V4 public launch is the final 2 weeks of April 2026. That is soon. Set your account up now so you are not starting from scratch on launch day. Comment V4 below right now and I will reply in the comments the moment DeepSeek V4 officially goes live with my first full tutorial showing exactly how to use expert mode, vision mode, and the 1 million token context window for content creation and affiliate marketing. And if you want to see how to use DeepSeek right now alongside Claude AI and Gemma 4 as a complete free AI content system, comment system below and that is my next video. Hit the like button if this breakdown helped you understand what is coming and why it matters. Subscribe to Padded Vibes for more AI news and tutorials every week. Drop a comment below telling me where you are watching from and whether you are already using DeepSeek V4 for your content. I read every comment and I will see you in the next one.